Good afternoon everyone, this is Seb from BOPR and this is another webinar. This is the 30th of November. It's not quite December just yet, we're almost there though. Christmas is just around the corner and today we are going to be starting things off with I think we should start off with the Euro USD, guys. What do you say? The fact is that we have been looking at the Euro USD now for quite some time and it has been on the rise. If I can even find Euro USD, here it is. I have a 3-minute expiry because I'm using binary.com for today's webinar. Price payout, let's start off nice and small with a $100 payout. So that would be a 80% to 93% return depending on what stake I'm going to do, which you can see here. I think it's brilliant. I love actually being able to type in my own payout. It's actually fantastic. I do like it a lot. Now, looking at this, it has been going down, which is good, because that means it's going to be following a very similar pattern of other times that it is shown. Let's get the old arrow out. There we go. So we have small pickets here where it is slowly stopped. But the overall trend for the Euro USD has been going into an upwards trend, as you guys can see there. So that was starting at 11 o'clock in the morning and it's still going up even now. So I'm going to start off this trading session with, I think, maybe a 3-minute call trade on the Euro USD, and this is going to be on a strike rate. Let me just get one up now. Let's have a look. So we are on 4.6. Let's do it. So there we go. The trade has been placed at 4.4, so not quite at 4.6, but 4.4 is actually okay. It's actually lower than what I wanted it to be. So. But if it's lower, it's better. If it's higher, obviously not very good. But because it was lower, it's fantastic. Because now it is hovering around the 5.6 mark, 5.7. Now it's gone up to 6.2. So really looks like this actually could be a really good start to the trading session that we're doing today. So this is all that I'm going to be talking about, obviously, with just the Euro USD, because if we look at the economic calendar, there has been event after event after event today. And this is not just with the Euro, this is with the GBP, this is with, obviously it's to do with the Euro, but obviously there's so many countries obviously in the European Union, so you've got the Italian flag, German flag, Swiss flag, Spanish flag, then you've got the GBP, because obviously in Great Britain at the moment, there's a lot of things to do with the housing, especially in London. If you guys obviously from the UK watch the news, and obviously that's been happening today at 7 o'clock in the morning. There's been AUD, there's been JPY also, there's been so much happening today. There's been speeches, there's been consumer price indexes for the whole of Europe, the unemployment rates and changes for Germany, which obviously affects the Euro. You've got the US dollar as well. There's so much that has happened today, and yeah, this has obviously brought about a few bits of volatility. If we look here, there's still so much more to go. If we go back to the Euro USD and click on to change the what currency pair that we actually look at, if it will let me, if it's going to let me, come on, there we go. If we actually go down to say the USD JPY, there's also been a massive downhill trend for today. So it's quite easy to determine that what these trends are actually doing, because this is a very similar to the Euro USD trend, but it's just going in the opposite direction. So this is the trade that we did place. There's 49 seconds left. It's on 3.6 at the moment. Now it's gone back up to 40. When was it placed at 4.4? That's quite unfortunate actually. That has actually managed to dip down below the line, which is bit unforeseen. Actually, I did not see it doing that at all, considering it's just been a very nice upwards trend. Now if we look here, this is the USD JPY. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a put trade. We're just going to very simply follow the trends. Just wait for this one to finish. It's going up. I don't think it's going to reach it though, even though it continued to go up for a little bit. No, it ended at 3.7. Damn it. What's it on at the moment? 3.6. So it's still hovering around the 136, 135. USD JPY 843. as it is currently on at the moment. There we go. So I'm going to do, I think, you know what? I think it might be better to do slightly longer expiry. So I'm going to try a 5-minute expiry. 100 payout. 5-minute expiry on 111855. There's my put trade. There we go. So now I'm going to go to, see, even if it, now that I've put the longer expiry on, now that even if it does go up a couple of candles, as long as it gives me those 2 or 3 red candles to go on after it, that's absolutely fine. So we're going to be moving on now to the GBP USD. And look at the trend that the GBP USD is showing. It will show slightly similar trends to the Euro USD. So let's have a look, which it is. This is the upwards trend that the GBP USD has given us. So this is the put trade on the thingy. So that was done at 11158, 858, shall I say? Sorry. That is dropping madly, which is really, really good for us. Right, we need to go to a different currency pair because that's going to be a long trade. That's 5 minutes. So following the trends, 135365. This is on the GBP USD. That should have risen up to around the 90 area. There it is. Yeah, it has. So once that red candle has reached, we should... Actually, we're going to come back to this one because I reckon that's going to start coming down before it starts going up. So we'll come back to that in just a minute. This is the USD CHF, which is a massive downwards trend right now. USD CHF. Here we go. Which is showing us a downwards trend. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to place my expiry back to 3 minutes on the USD CHF because it's already given us a huge green candle. And I'm going to catch it on the reverse. So this is the USD CHF at 246254. Brilliant. Now it's time to place my put trade at 256 put. There we go. Bang. The last trade, sorry, Paul, was on the USD JPY. And this is the trade at the moment we have on the USD CHF. We're expiry of 3 minutes. It's currently now on 54847. We placed it at 56. Now it's on 55, but this is a 3 minute expiry. So even if it does go above the barrier line, as long as it ends below it, absolutely fantastic for us. The USD JPY, let's just check on this one. What's it currently on at the moment? 873. I can't remember what do we place the trade on? Oh, no, that's the explanation. I think that's brilliant. You get the explanation. You've got the indicators here as well. It's absolutely fantastic. I really do like the broker. What was going to click on? There we go. Back up to here. Yeah, the USD JPY was 5 minutes. Sorry, Paul. Cheers, Dale. See, look, even though the USD CHF is going up slightly, it has done as well over here, but it should start coming back down any minute now, which is good, or any second, should I say, really. There's our red candle just there. So look at the USD Canadian dollar. Should be showing a very similar trend as well of what we've been seeing. Let's have a look. This should be going down, theoretically. Or it has been going down, but this is the Canadian dollar. Nothing to do with the euro and the GBP. So at this moment in time, this would be a really... No, actually, that's a currency pair to easily stay away from. AUD USD. USD JPY has dropped, which is brilliant. How about the USD CHF? Should be coming down. That is really, really good. Yep, there we go. Starting to show us those red candles now, which is absolutely fantastic. Oy, quick stretch, and then back to it. So this is the AUD USD. Let's look at this. Okay. There we go. Ooh, a upwards trend. Interesting. But it looks like it's catching on to what it did here from 2:45 until now, which is at 3:15. It looks like it's going to do the exact same thing. So let's avoid that one. And let's go to the Euro JPY. Has been quite volatile today. Here we go. But it has been going into a slight more upwards trend. Wow, look at that. I wonder if that will keep coming down for a couple of candles or if it will push up. Not too sure. I know, Paul, yeah. Me too, bad though. I know, it's just the old cold, isn't it? So, let's get to it. This is the Euro JPY, guys. What is this candle going to show us at the moment? Now, that should have gone up ever so slightly. That's got to go on the reverse though, surely. See, look, there we go. It's on 326. That has to go on the reverse. So, Euro JPY, following very simple trends. Payout. We need a slightly higher payout, I think, for this one. Yeah, that's better. So, I'm going to place my put trade now. This is a 3-minute expiry, okay, on the Euro JPY. The strike rate is 133.326. 325. Yeah, I placed mine at 326. And it's dropped. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Now, obviously, why have I said that it's going to drop? Is because we can easily identify the pattern of what it's been doing here. Let me just get out a different colour pen. There we go. Now, the overall trend is slightly going up. I mean, if we literally put it here, point, or even here, the trend is slightly going up, as you can see, even from the halfway point. It is an upwards trend. But there have been, if I had to change my, a lot more better green candles than they have going up. As you guys can see there. So I'm relying on the fact that there's going to be, once it's reached this high point, which it has, as you guys can see, let me get rid of there's a red candle that's just spawned in. And now that should keep pushing down, because it's just reached its top part. Where are we? So we've got 1 minute and 50 seconds left, and then it will be another win to add to our tally for today. Ooh, it's cold. One sec, guys. I'm going to go and put on my jumper. I'll be back in literally 1 sec. Let me just put on a jumper. There we go. Just put this on. Oh, yeah. That's better. Sorry about that, fellas. Oh, yeah. How is everyone anyway? How's everyone doing? Yay, there we go. Look at that. In the money. Caught it at just the right time. Perfect. It only went above the okay. What we'll do then, let's see, let's have a look, Paul. Paul says, not used to this new strategy. So what we're doing is, get rid of that. There we go. We're literally just following the trend patterns. Well done, Marek. Very nice to see. This is a good start. We are 4 trades. So I'm just going to write this down, guys, because I always need to write down my trades. Let's get a new size. So I've done 4 trades. USD JPY was out the money. Was OTM. And then all the other 3. Let's write them down quickly. I love writing down. I always write down my trades. ATM, and then the latest one to add Euro JPY ATM. Perfect. No worries, Paul. Let's do it. So this is obviously, look, we could actually even now do a call trade on the Euro JPY. I mean, look at that. I would do a call trade if I have a bit of a shorter expiry, but let's move on to a different pairing. So guys, let's switch to the GBP JPY, and what we'll do to keep on top of things, every time we switch currency pairs, we'll go and switch it on binary.com as well. Okay. Indicator. See, look, I love having these indicators at your disposal as well. I think my balance on this has just hit as well, which is good. I've just hit my highest balance I possibly could hit. It's just brilliant. Popular. No, you always find it very easy on popular. Now I've got it on favourites, haven't I? Bollinger Bands. There we go. Boom. Late, had to reload, but in the money. Well done, Dale. So here we go. Look, I love Bollinger. You get Bollinger Bands on binary.com. I think it is brilliant. I really, really do. Look at this, guys. GBP JPY, massive up push trends throughout the entire trading day. Even back from Wednesday. Obviously, if we zoom in, it doesn't really look like it. Oh my goodness me, look at this. Well, we have just had a couple of hits on economic calendar. So if we do go back and have a look at the GBP JPY, there's been massive downhill trend. What we want to do though is we want to catch it when it starts going back up, which it looks like it is, which is a shame because it would be nice to put a 60-second call trade on that. I don't have access to 60 seconds because I want to try and focus on the binary.com broker for today. And because I want to try and focus more on this broker as well, because I want, I've just started promoting the broker. I'm an affiliation now with this broker, and I would love more people to sort of get involved with the broker that I'm using in my webinars. So, it's fully regulated, great support. They actually respond to your emails. I think that just says it all, really. And yeah, so if anyone who's watching this on YouTube does want to use this broker, please, I have links in the description, or even if you just want to come and join the webinars, 2 weeks free webinars, as long as you get set up with this broker alongside me on Skype. My Skype is Binary Options Product Review, and yeah, come and get involved. Seriously, just ask Paul and Dale. They've been on my webinars a long time. That's why I'm using binary.com today. I'm just trying to switch it up. I know some of you use binary.com, some of you use high-low. I just thought I'd switch it up for once, Even Dale says a very good broker, man. Now that it is, sir. Anyway, back to the GBP JPY. This is on 271. That's going to obviously shoot up past the 300 mark. Pew, gone. Up you go. Once it refreshes, that is. Come on, GBP, JPY, move. Come on, FX Street, get your shit together. There we go, bang. It's a massive uphill trend. Let's zoom out a minute. So let's have a look at today. So Thursday. So even if you literally scroll back all the way to just before Wednesday even begun, so 6 o'clock on Tuesday, there's just been one massive uphill trend, like absolutely phenomenal, huge, which is absolutely amazing, but unfortunately it was missed out upon. Now there's been a massive spike here in green candles on the GBP JPY. So what we're going to do is we're going to avoid this pairing for the time being anyway. Let's have a look at AUD JPY. Let's have a butcher. So this is obviously AUD JPY. Let us zoom in slightly. So we have the middle Bollinger Band line and the top Bollinger Band line spiking down, with the bottom one going up. Now this actually could generally mean that there's going to be a big spike in a green candle. Now I did describe that strategy in my latest video, which you can find on YouTube up here in the top left. Go to my YouTube channel, because look, it even says here, look, you got that line that's pointing down, this line's pointing down, but then this line here is pointing up, which led to a green candle and an increase in the candle from here, which is what you're seeing here. Now look, there we go. So if you look at this candle, it is spiking upwards, which was red, now it's gone green, which is perfect, absolutely brilliant. And so what we're going to do now is that should, now I don't know how long it's going to come up for, because it could be following this area of pattern, or this area pattern with all these green candles here showing. So we're going to find a currency pair that's more suited towards us. So let's do a trade on the Euro USD, or we might not do a trade on the Euro USD, but let's take a look at the Euro USD anyhow. See, what's the Euro USD on at the moment? Oh, sorry about that. We're on 119.18887. Nothing really to show on the Euro USD at the moment. Let's try USD JPY. This USD JPY just hit a big red candle. Now, if that does hit the bottom line, I think we could do a call trade on the USD JPY and catch it on the reversal. So if we generally want to do that, let's just keep an eye on this. I've put the USD JPY on the broker just in case we do place the trade. So I think we could catch it on the reversal, depending on how big this is really. We do have to be slightly careful because it's not very strong, and there is another red candle. But okay, if that gets to 70, we'll go with a call trade, but it has to be a nice solid 70. It's on 773, 772, 769. There we go. Oh no, I think I've placed it a bit too late. It was quite solid on 769. I didn't manage to place it on 769, unfortunately, which might cost me. But, you know, human error from eye to my hand. I can't really help that, unfortunately. I wasn't quick enough. That's my own fault. But it is going up, which is good, because we want it obviously to go up. So I hope you all placed it at the same time that I did. It is going up, and it's nice and slowly going up. And the best part about it, remember guys, is it's steady. It's always 3 minutes. I'm using binary.com, and the minimum is 3 minutes. If you can do 1 minute, Paul, it would have been good actually to do 1 minute, of course. But I can only do 3 minutes. So Dale's opened it at 773, which is good. Marek at 774, which is good as well. I opened mine at 775. So I'm more in the risk. But we should be nice, safe, solid, and another win to add to our hopefully another win. I'm not gonna jinx it. But you guys know what I mean. So this is our 5th trade. So we've done 4. There we go. So it might start coming back down, but we should be absolutely fine for the next hour. Even if that drops down to the 800, we should be absolutely fine. Do. 1 minute. Yeah, what are you on about? No, we don't. Knobs. What on earth are you on about? 1 minute left. "45 seconds. It's gone back up to 807. I should be on 805. Yeah, there it is. See, this is an over. We could have even placed a put trade back on that green, on the top of the green line there, you know. 20 seconds left. Gone back up to 90. Decent. 10 seconds left. Well, 12 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! There we go. Fantastic. Excellent. That was a payout of 80%. Fantastic. I will take that. Very nice. My account balance is now $610. That's exactly what I want to see. Boom. Let me get rid of that. So 4 in the money, 1 out the money. That's 5 trades we've done so far. Let me just write that down. 5 trades, 4 in the money, 1 out the money. Add on the what was it? The USD JPY. Yay! We finally got USD JPY in the money. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay, fantastic, brilliant. Boo. Everybody okay then? Yeah. Did everyone get that? Marek, Dale, I believe you two did the trade with me, yeah? Yeah, Marek is in the money. Dale? Yeah, Dale should have been in the money as well, easily, yeah. Yeah, fantastic. Excellent. Really good trade. Right, guys, you know my rule. You know I only say we do no more than 5 trades because, you know, especially when you're on a good percentage as well. Like, that's 80% in the money. But Paul has only done 1 trade. 1 trade! Oh, so we're gonna try and do a bonus trade just for Paul. Try and get Paul involved, yeah? Come on, Paul. Let's see what we can identify. Oh, Marek, you can trade. What's up to you, Marek? You know, it's your money. It's your money. You guys can trade. It's completely up to you. But you guys are paying me for service and I wish to deliver. So, we have big break on the GBP USD, which was at 3:30. Now, at 3:30, there was a event here. Okay, as you guys can see, it was 3:30. That was on the US dollar, which did cause our upwards trend pattern to kind of go a bit off on one, as you guys can see there. Oh, Jesus, that zoomed right in. My apologies. Oh, dear me. So this is an upwards trend. Now, we could be a good idea to try and get this on the break when it goes through the resistance. We just got to wait for it though, and we might be waiting for a bit. $135,401. You don't have GBP USD, no worries. Oh, okay, I know what you have. Okay, then let's look at the Euro JPY. Of course, high and low. So let's do it. Euro JPY, let us get Euro JPY at the ready. $336, $334. Oh, bouncing between those two parts. What have we got here on the Euro JPY, guys? Nice upwards trend. So, okay, we're back to this pattern. The awkward pattern that happens to be the Euro JPY. Oh, hang on. No, I need to stop. Wait, what am I doing? I've just started screen sharing like one area. Hang on, guys. Sorry about that. Full screen. There we go. Now you guys can see my screen again, hopefully. There we go. Now let us get to where we were. There we go. Beautiful. Now we could be seeing a cool trade here. Oh, hang on. My just want to quickly check on Bitcoin as well. I want to try and invest in like a quarter of a Bitcoin or something like that. But I'm just trying to find the right price to get it at. That's still dropping, which is good. So here we go, Euro JPY, 312, 310. If it loads, it should be on 312 or 310. Oh, it's on 312, okay. Now, this should drop quite a lot, all right? If this is any trend to look at, guys, look, here, 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 and now it's gonna happen here, easily. I am so tempted right now to place a put trade, but I'm not 100%. I'm really not 100%. I don't know if it's going to continue, the trend of it pushing down. But especially for 3 minutes, it'd be such a risk placing a put trade. That's definitely not worth it now, not with a green candle. I mean, look at that. Wow, green candle. All three Bollinger Band lines pushing down. Thing is, if we placed it at 312, I know it's on 296, but with a 3 minute expiry, it's very difficult. Especially with what it's doing now. I mean, that's a massive green candle in itself. So let's just wait a minute. Remember, guys, we've got no rush. Not going anywhere. No rush, no rush. I'm not in any rush to go anywhere. So let's just wait and see what happens. There'll be another green candle. And then there'll be a big red one. Right. One 133,343 dropping down. I was hoping there'd be another green candle, to be honest. We might have to change pairing. Wow, look at that. So stupid. Right, this is the GBP JPY. Let's look at this one. Now, we have to pay close attention. Can we catch it on the break, on reversal? And even more importantly, how long is it going to keep going for? So let's get GBP JPY up in here. There we go. Where's the big trend spike? Go on. Come on. Push up and then let's do a put trade. But when that reaches the top mark, okay? Judging by this pattern in the oval train, guys, look at the Bollinger Bands, the 3 lines, what we spoke about last time. The top and the middle are pointing up, but that bottom line is so close to pointing down. And when that happens, that generally means there's going to be a red candle. Oh, that was quick speaking, actually. Come on, give me a trend. I don't want to go placing any trades on speculation either. Colin, are you here in the webinar? Oh, come on. Stealth trading, Colin. Oh man, this is like the most boringest 5. I genuinely don't know what to say because I'm trying to get a nice trend in, but I'm struggling a little bit to go through these pairings, especially when we're quite limited. Oh my god, the USD JPY has broke out. Jesus, look at that. USD JPY has broken out a little bit. Oh. Is there a movement? Let me just refresh this page. It's very cool behind the scenes. No. So the USD JPY has had a switch in trend. $877. This could be our shining pace. Bottom line and top line pointing sharply up with the top line pointing down. Wow, okay. Let's try Euro USD. We seem to have more luck on the Euro USD lately anyway. See, everything seems to be reversed now. Even the USD JPY started going up, and now the Euro USD looks like it's starting to go down. But how long for? It's another question we have to answer ourselves. $119,197. This is a very, very bad time to trade. AUD USD. If I just look at the GBP, the AUD USD wicks just make me bloody ill. That's got to keep going up. Look, it's still spreading apart. That's the AUD USD as well. I'm really not 100% on this trade, but I want to go for a call. For some reason, it's begging me to go for a call. But I'm not 100%. Exactly, Marek. That's what I'm thinking. 0.7593436 again. What's the next candle going to bring? See, it might be even a good idea to do a put trade right about now. But they're still so split apart from each other. Be safe, Sam. Use protection. Wow. Euro JPY. This is the Euro JPY. See, Euro JPY now looks like it's doing the exact same thing. Every pairing we're looking at is coming out of its usual trend now and going in reverse. But it's too early to tell if this is a new trend or if it genuinely is trying to now recuperate itself and go back in the old trend. See, I think the Euro JPY is the best bet to do a call trade, but just for not for this time period. This will have to be maybe a 5-minute call trade. Let it go down some more and then wait for it to come back up. But I think that's what we're gonna have to do. A 3-minute call trade, but just not yet. Let's hold it off a minute. I don't really like to trade on this kind of market at the moment because it is very volatile right about now. These candles they're really big with no indication on the economic calendar. If it drops, if it lands on a solid 4.5, I'll place a call. But it's going up now to 3.7, 3.9. Oh my goodness me, this is difficult. One 3.3, 3.86, 3.95. Hit me a solid 60 and I'm going to do a put trade. Or 6.5 even. It was on 6.5. Go on. Oh, 6.8. Come on, hit me a solid 6.5 and over. 6.9, that will do. Oh shit, I've just placed it at fucking... Now it's on 7.3. I wanted to place it at 1... Oh my god, Seb. Well, I wanted to place it at... Wait, did I place it at 7.3? On a put? That's exactly where I wanted it. Oh my god, it actually placed it where I wanted it to be. I said 6.9. It went up to 7.3. I clicked it and I thought it said 5.9 and I shat myself, but it actually placed it at 7.3. Wow. Come on. Please tell me you guys put that as well. And you guys would have had 5 extra seconds ahead of me as well. Well, not 5 seconds, you guys know what I mean. About 3 to 5 seconds. Let me know if any of you lot managed to place that trade. No, trust me, I wouldn't blame you if you didn't, but if you did, it was literally a there or nothing. That's where the mark was at 4.5. Because when you're looking at the charts, you've got to remember, where is it hovering? What's it hovering? What's the even number there? It was 4.65. It was on 4.65. And then it actually broke through past the 7 mark, which was freaking brilliant. Gives you that little bit of reassurance. So please, come on. This will be 6 trades, 5 in the money, 1 out the money, but it has to hold. It has to hold. Stop moving. Come on, don't do this to me now on the last trade. It's quite volatile. 40 seconds left. I'm in. 30 seconds left, guys. Paul, I really hope you placed the trade. Paul, I really hope you placed it. Oh no, Paul, you didn't place it. Oh no, I placed it for you. Oh my god. Oh, come on. 5, let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It held. Look at that. Yes. 6 trades in the money. No, 5 trades. ITM 1 OTM. Yes, look at that. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Balance is now $720. Oh dear me. I have an itchy foot. Oh do. In percentage. So we got 5 out of 6, yeah? That's an 83% in the 83% in the money. You a boy, Colin said. Really, you should be sharing the profit with Paul. Share the profit. Well done, Dale. Well done. Oh. Maybe I might think about that when the time for withdrawal comes. Right, guys, if you're watching this on YouTube, I hope you're having a good day, and I hope that you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Guys, thank you very much to Colin, Dale, Merrick and Paul for joining me on this trading session. Guys, when this video goes on YouTube, please go and like the video. Leave a comment down below as well, guys. Please leave your comments. It really helps, and it's good to show people evidence, that you guys are enjoying it. You guys are learning. So thank you very much. Take care. I'll see you lot on the next webinar. Thank you. Goodbye.